Hello friends, I am Dr. Rahul Patil, consultant cardiologist from Pune. Today, the relation between sleep and heart attack. A normal human needs around 6 to 9 hours of sound sleep. This is a time when body secretes melatonin hormone, and this is the hormone which regulates your sleep and cell repair. If someone sleeps less than 6 hours a day, there is a rise in epinephrine and norepinephrine stress hormones. These are the hormones which will cause increase in HSCRP levels, which will cause stiffening of blood vessels of heart, increase in insulin resistance. It will cause high pressures and blood clot formation. And this is the mechanism which can cause heart attack in a person who sleeps less than 6 hours a day. Recently conducted survey in 20,000 population, which was published in American Journal of Cardiology. The population were Americans and British, and it was found that those people who are sleeping less than 6 hours a day, they increase the chance of getting heart attack by 20%. On the contrary, or a paradox, those people who are sleeping more than 9 hours a day, the heart attack rate increases by 36%. But those people who are sleeping regularly between 6 to 9 hours a day, the risk of getting heart attack was reduced by 18%. What do you mean by regular and routine sleep? Some people may sleep at 12 at midnight and get up at 7 o'clock. Some may sleep at 10 o'clock in morning, and some day you wake up at 5, some day at 11 and maybe 6. So this is not a regular sleep. Despite this irregularity, it was seen in the study that you may complete 7 hours of good sleep, but because of poor regularity in your sleep, you still carry a high risk of getting heart attack. The reason was said that the melatonin release of hormone was insufficient to regulate your cell repair and sleep. So you have to regulate your sleep pattern by sleeping at particular time and getting up absolutely on time in morning. These are some of the tips to get you a sound sleep and regulate your sleep pattern. The most important is you have to make a habit of getting up in the morning at particular time. Once you do that, then the sleep will be automatically regulated at night at a given time. Daily exercise for 45 minutes to 1 hour will cause fatigue, and that will also increase melatonin hormone and could regulate your sleep. Secondly, the room in which you are sleeping should be absolutely dark when you go to the bed, and it should be soundproof so that it should not disturb your sleep. The cell phones, the laptops, the television screen should be avoided 1 hour prior you go to sleep, so that these are the screens which will release ultraviolet B rays and will decrease the release of melatonin hormone, which regulates your sleep. If you could follow these instructions, your sleep will be absolutely fine and you will reduce your risk of heart attack by 20%. To know more about your heart attack and treatment, you can contact me on a given number or can visit my clinic or my website. Thank you.